To improve safety and security, Idaho Power has installed floating boat barriers at Brownlee Dam and Power Plant. Brownlee Power Plant, in Hells Canyon, is Idaho Power's largest electrical generation source. These buoy lines will keep boats 600 feet from the upstream side of the dam and 1,000 feet from the downstream side. The federal government sets security standards to protect critical infrastructure such as Brownlee Power Plant. Meeting these standards requires controlling water access near the dam and power plant. The barriers do not impact streambank access. Visitors should not attempt to cross, climb on, or moor boats to the buoy lines. Securing these facilities is part of Idaho Power's commitment to providing safe, reliable energy.